Welcome, this is Rob Ainscoe from Sim Horizons. Today I'd like to discuss how to update my Seasons product. It's fairly simple. Let's go ahead and start Seasons. I know there's a pending update waiting for me, so let's go ahead. There's actually several ways you can update Seasons. One is through running the Seasons updater here. Another way, which will probably be the more common way, you can go ahead into Seasons. Once it's loaded, you actually have two options. The first option is you can go into Settings here and click on Check for Updates, and that will bring the update screen. Or you can just wait about 30 seconds here and it will automatically go out and check the server for an update, see if there's an update available. So we'll go ahead and wait for that. And there we go, it found an update. This red bell up here kind of has a wobble animation, is indicating there's an update available. So you can actually click on this bell and that will start the update process. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on the bell. Now it's going to bring up a little summary form here. It's going to tell you what was in this particular update. In this case, it's a fairly minor update. I added Northern and Southern Hemisphere based on the season generator options. And also fixed the issue where user prompts would display off screen when using Windows 10 desktop scaling. So two small little bugs, but what it'll do is it'll list any enhancements, any new features, any bug fixes, and then you can decide, yeah, okay, I'll go ahead and do that, or you can say, no, I don't want to do the update right now, and hit cancel. But let's say go ahead, we want to do it. This time, rather than clicking on the bell icon, we'll go to the settings and we'll go over here for check for updates, and this will launch the same process. Now I'm going to go ahead and click next, and you'll see it starts downloading the update. Alright, now the download is done. It's going to run the installer, and you go ahead and click next. Use whatever setting you like here, hit next. Again, it's the same installation process. Hit I agree, hit next, hit install. Alright, now what it's telling me here is that Seasons is still running in the background, which it is, because you installed it, you triggered the update from within Seasons program itself. So just leave the setting here that says automatically close application and then attempt to restart after setup is complete. Hit OK. Now you're going to get prompted with do you want to deactivate your licenses and or remove Seasons data files completely? For an update, I recommend you do not do that. Just hit the X here to say nope, leave my license files there, and don't wipe out my data files. So click the X here. If you're doing a full uninstall and you didn't want to use Seasons anymore, then go ahead and click the green check here. But since we are wanting to use Seasons and we do want to keep our license activated, we'll go ahead and click the X here. And voila, that's done. You can click finish and Seasons will start to run again. And there you go. Now you notice the Seasons version has changed. We're now at 0.10.425 and the product has been updated. Okay, that concludes the automatic update process for Seasons. There is no need to visit websites or do additional downloads. It's all self-contained within my product, and should make things a little bit easier. And the updates are optional, but they are highly recommended.